One of the easiest and simplest Nigerian food to put together is the Onugbu soup or OFE ONUGBU. Guys, trust me, it is so delicious and super easy to make. Also, this is an authentic Nigerian food recipe. Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen. You're watching Queen Varieties channel. Variety is the spice of life, isn't it? Yes, today I will share with you a perfect delicacy. Don't forget to subscribe, share my video with your friends and love.
Inside this pot I have something that is cooking here already. The type of stockfish I am using is the cod stockfish. I didn't have enough time to soak this over the night to soften. I'm going to cook this for exactly 40 minutes. What I have here is goat meat. I'm going to drop the goat meat inside the pot. Throw in my kanda, which is Ponmo. Transfer the cod stockfish inside here. It brings a very nice flavor to your meal. It's 2 pairs of knor cubes. In my blender here I have a combination of onions, 2 onions precisely, and 7 Scotch Bonnet peppers. You can feel free to use more or less, just do what is okay for you. Salt to taste, add a reasonable salt. Having added the salt, I'll just pour in the onion pepper mixture. So I can hear some of you in your mind speaking, is she going to put onions in this Onugbu soup? Yes, my friends, I'm going to put onions. That is because I don't eat ogiri. In fact, I have not eaten ogiri before. So some of you make the mistake to think that all Igbos are from Imo State or Anambra State. If you're the type that eats ogiri, then skip the onions, don't add onions. I'll gently give everything a good mix and allow the proteins here to cook. Okay, so I'll cover the pot now and allow this to cook down for exactly 40 minutes. I am dealing with goat meat here and it's tough to cook. Okay guys, you're welcome back. This is exactly 30 minutes later. So this is what we are having there after 30 minutes. I'm almost 50% into the cooking process of everything here. What I'm going to do now is to add more water to this pot. I'm adding another 4 cups. That appearance is nice. Cover the pot for extra 10 minutes to boil on the highest heat. That will be the complete 40 minutes of the cooking process of the protein. This is the chief ingredient of the soup, the bitter leaf. I've gone ahead to soak it here to defreeze. Even though it is called bitter leaf, you don't want the outcome of your soup to be bitter. So please take your time and wash your bitter leaf and make sure that you eliminate any form of bitter taste from it, okay? If your bitter leaf is very bitter, it's going to spoil the outcome of your soup. Alright, so the species of bitter leaf I am using is the one the Cameroonians call Ndole. You can find it, then go for it, because this bitter leaf is not bitter. Yes, so this is called Ndole bitter leaf. For this recipe I'm using precisely 1,500 grams of bitter leaf, 3 sachets like this, 3 waterproofs. Has won my battle for me, God of vengeance. Alright my beautiful people, you're welcome back. So the pot is now boiling extensively. Oh my goodness, the aroma here is, oh my god, it smells so good. You know, the aroma of goat meat is something that you don't want to miss. I'll bring in some palm oil. You will need a reasonable quantity of palm oil because it's going to give you that taste and richness. Added the palm oil. We are going to add the next ingredient, which is my crayfish. Okay, this is dry fish powder, which I normally use for my crayfish substitute. So I'll just add about 3/4 cup of that because I have a big quantity of soup going on here. So if you're someone that eats ogiri, the almighty Igbo ogiri, yes, so this is the point in time you're going to add it, okay? For this authentic bitter leaf soup, what you need to use is cocoyam, but unfortunately I don't have it. So today I'll be using oatmeal to do the binding process. Now, if you're privileged to have cocoyams, all you're going to do is cook your cocoyams for exactly 1 hour. That's the same way we boil yams. You're going to use your mortar and pestle to pound it, or you can use a food processor or blender to blend it with some quantity of water and then pour it right now, okay? 10 minutes later. Oh my goodness, look at what we are having there. Alright guys, so 10 minutes later, this is the appearance we are having now. This pot has boiled extensively and seriously everything here is ready. Oh my goodness, the aroma here, Okay, so this is the time we have to just add the thickener. For this recipe I am using oatmeal as my thickener, so I'll just pour it there. Same time, I will now add the bitter leaf. I've gone ahead to squeeze out the bitter leaves. Cover the pot for exactly 5 to 8 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes thereabout, just so that the oatmeal we added now will completely cook. At the same time, the bitter leaf flavor will penetrate into the soup. Then I will now serve. My beautiful friends, so it's exactly 5 good minutes later. Oh my goodness, this place is oozing with a wonderful, fantastic aroma, delicious aroma. I'm going to give this pot a good stir. Time you're going to confirm your seasoning, add salt or crayfish if you want to do that. Yes, we're going to call it a quit. So you can see I have lots and lots of bitter leaf here. Your bitter leaf soup is ready. So this step is very important. You have to make sure that the oatmeal that we poured inside this place will melt down completely. And if you're using cocoyam powder or cocoyam itself, make sure that it has melted completely. Okay, yes. So now I'm going to turn the heat down to the lowest and simmer this down for extra 3 minutes. 8 good minutes extra process of cooking it. Oh my goodness, I love the appearance of the soup. Now take a good look at our authentic bitter leaf soup. You see that? This is the best way to have your bitter leaf soup. It tastes so nice. My people, Jesus, guys, it's so delicious. You will love the background taste of the bitter leaf.